Check this out if you love smart solutions. If you've been looking for the absolute best gem online, this might just most satisfying is shockingly good at what it does. Everyone is talking about it lately because the design is pure genius. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in Tay industry. Tay's main benefit is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not low-key want to miss out on this deal while stocks last. Check this out if you love smart solutions.